A powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake hits Russia. Total 3 powerful earthquakes struck off the coast of Russia's forest on Sunday, triggering a tsunami alert, the United States Geological Survey reported. The first earthquake, with a magnitude of 5.0, was followed by a 6.7 magnitude earthquake at 7:07 UTC local time, located 151 km east of Powershock, at a depth of 8.7 km according to the United States Geological Survey. Shortly after a 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck the region at 0649 UTC, around 144 km east of Petrovabolsk, Kamsky, at a depth of 20 km. Following this stronger earthquake, the United States Geological Survey issued a warning that hazardous tsunami waves are possible with 300 km of the epicenter in the Pacific. Earlier, the German Research Center for Geoscience reported a magnitude 6.6 earthquake near the coast of Russia's Kamchatka region. GFZ stated that the earthquake occurred at a depth of 10 km and had initially recorded it as a 6.2 magnitude tremor.